get, got it. Pull up with a stick, stop it. Rich nigga shit, solid. Rich nigga, oh, in the pockets, ride it, got it. I go to space with the stars. My smoke a blunt on my pilot. Saturn, moon, Earth, and Mars.
What is up, everybody? So we're moving on with the wagon. We got the interior all situated. This thing's looking great, but as you can see, the diff just isn't doing what it should be doing. So today is going to be all about installing an LSD into my E36 wagon. So as you saw, we were doing a one-wheel burnout pretty much that whole time around. I'll show you guys some of the tire marks, but this is pretty much a dead giveaway that you have an open diff in your car when you try to do a donut and all you got is one wheel spinning. So that sucks a lot. And you know, we like to kick this thing out every now and then and give it some skid time, but you can't do that with an open diff unless it's raining. So we're gonna be installing an LSD today in this thing, and hopefully the before and after video of drifting around this gas can is gonna be night and day difference. So the wagon is still just a 320i. It's a 2-liter M52, so it really doesn't have that much give to it anyway. And I do have Falcon Azena 615K tires on, so they're a little bit grippy. So even doing what I was doing before is kind of difficult, but I still have hope. Maybe we'll add some pressure to the tires, but we're gonna install this LSD, try that again, and hopefully have a better time, because as you could see, that was bad. That was pitiful. So we're gonna get to this, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. All right, so here we are underneath the car, and I'm gonna show you guys what I mean by having an open diff and how much it sucks. So when you're going down the street and you got this one going just by itself, you can see that this wheel is doing nothing at all. So when I was trying to do that donut earlier around the gas can, this wheel was doing all the work, it was getting all the power, it was doing a nice burnout, but this wheel was doing nothing at all. So you could see me struggle to do an actual donut around that thing. I think I tried like 4 or 5 times and I just couldn't get it. When we got one wheel spinning, the other wheel does absolutely nothing. So when I get the LSD installed, hopefully both of these are gonna be spinning at the same time so that I can do that video again and have a better burnout and hopefully do a really nice donut around that gas can. But this thing doesn't have a lot of power, so we're gonna do what we can anyway. But this thing, we got one wheel. This is that one wheel peel open diff life here. And I'm gonna show you guys my new LSD that I got. All right, so here's the diff and here are the tools that all I'm gonna need in order to change this out. This is a small case 3.45 LSD that I got off my buddy Jordan. I tipped it back to see if there was any fluid in it, and sure enough, it leaked out the hole, and the fluid actually looks pretty good. So I'm actually not even gonna bother changing it, but this is the LSD and this is how they work. So when you spin the front, you can see both are spinning together. So this is going to help us drift. This is going to help us have better control. This will make it so that I know that both wheels are spinning at the same time. These are all the tools I need. I need an 18 for the diff. The 18 does the front bolt and both of the ear bolts. The 16 wrench gets the drive shaft off the front. The E12 gets the axles off the side here. And then this is just a 13 to get the sway bar off the mounting. But now it's time to get this thing installed, so let's see how long this takes.
With the kid, got it. Pull up with the stick, stop it. Rich nigga shit, solid. Rich nigga, oh, and the pockets ride it. Got it. I go to space with the stars. My smoke a blunt on my pilot. Saturn, moon, Earth, and Mars. NASA take off with the rocket. $1 million on my necklace. Young rich nigga with successful. Said she wanna feel special. And Coco make me feel special. I count 100 or better. 100. Back in 200 or better. 200. I might go put all my chains on. I just might change up the weather. Change it. Pop a perk and pussy wetter. Drip. I made the bitch at Coachella. If she Nutella, she probably do better. But can I get a D forever? I pray to God and wash my sins. God performed against me, not a weapon, no weapon. So where do I begin? Where? Devil trying to take my breath. You don't know the meaning of the why now. You don't really live this life, no. Niggas in the hood shoot me twice. So my niggas in the hood shoot precise. Real wise, we ain't taking no advice. I realize that these hoes ain't right. Don't need to ask cause they know what's the price. Ain't gotta snow, they already know what's right. I thank God cause I've been baptized. I got mob ties to the north side. Pull up with the sticks on the nigga straight slime. They gon' make that north side crime. Then I hit a lick with these niggas dropping 10. Hit a lick with these niggas dropping 9. Fucking on the friend, I'ma bring her back in. Looking at the watch, I can't waste time. Two bitches just flowing from London. Two bitches. Nothing I remember, they callin' me daddy. The mattress was covered in money. Went to sleep with my jewelry and chains on. Had to wake up and recount the money. I got a bitch, she gon' kill for real. Talking about Clyde and Bunny. With the kid, got it. Pull up with the stick, stop it. Rich nigga shit, solid. Rich nigga, oh, and the pockets ride it. Got it. I go to space with the stars. My smoke a blunt on my pilot. Saturn, moon, Earth, and Mars. NASA take off with the rocket. With the kid, got it. Pull up with the stick, stop it. Rich nigga shit, solid. Rich nigga, oh, and the pockets ride it. Got it. I go to space with the stars. My smoke a blunt on my pilot. Saturn, moon, Earth, and Mars. NASA take off with the rocket.
Alright, so we got both diffs out. As you can see, they're both small case diffs, but I'm going to show you one more time. This is one that came out. It's actually a little bit gross, but this one actually looks a lot better. But I'm going to show you guys one more time. When you spin this one, we got both of them moving. Both of them moving forward. This one, when we spin, they do both move, but the second you hold one, it's very obvious which one doesn't work. So let's see if I can set this up. Alright, so when you move this one and you resist it with this one, it's actually still moving my hand. But this one, when I move it and resist this, it spins that one like it's no problem. So this is going to be a massive upgrade. Let's get it in there.
I got a bitch, she gon' kill for real. Talking about Clyde and Bunny. With the kid, got it. Pull up with the stick, stop it. Rich nigga shit, solid. Rich nigga, oh, and the pockets ride it. Got it. I go to space with the stars. My smoke a blunt on my pilot. Saturn, moon, Earth, and Mars. NASA take off with the rocket. $1 million on my necklace. Young rich nigga with successful. Said she wanna feel special. And Coco make me feel special. I count 100 or better. 100. Back in 200 or better. 200. I might go put all my chains on. I just might change up the weather. Change it. Pop a perk and pussy wetter. Drip. I made the bitch at Coachella. If she Nutella, she probably do better. But can I get a D forever? I pray to God and wash my sins. God performed against me, not a weapon, no weapon. So where do I begin? Where? Devil trying to take my breath. You don't know the meaning of the why now. You don't really live this life, no. Niggas in the hood shoot twice. So my niggas in the hood shoot precise. Real wise, we ain't taking no advice. I realize that these hoes ain't right. Don't need to ask cause they know what's the price. Ain't gotta snow, they already know what's right. I thank God cause I've been baptized. I got mob ties to the north side. Pull up with the sticks on the nigga straight slime. They gon' make that north side crime. Then I hit a lick with these niggas dropping 10. Hit a lick with these niggas dropping 9. Fucking on the friend, I'ma bring her back in. Looking at the watch, I can't waste time. Two bitches just flowing from London. Two bitches. Nothing I remember, they callin' me daddy. The mattress was covered. Beat 24 hours, that's that grind. Grind on the grind every day, that's that grind. Grind can't stop, keep going, that's that
So yeah, that was almost really bad. You guys saw that water come out. That's not supposed to be in there. So I'm glad I saw that. This is now a PSA to check your diff fluid before installing it. That was almost really bad. All right, so now that that's all set and the diff is installed, it's time to go outside and see how it does when we try to do some donuts. It works. All right, so that worked great. Honestly, it was way better than it was with the open diff. That slid no problem. I did 2 donuts flawlessly without any issues at all. I could tell it was starting to drop in the revs, and I wish I could have clutch kicked it again, but this thing really just doesn't have the power for it. But that is an LSD install and goes to show how great they are, especially on the street. So I'm super happy about it. So stay tuned for more.
Yeah, for real. Talking about glide and bunny. Cool with the kid, got it. Pull up with the stick, stop it. Rich nigga shit, solid. Rich nigga, oh, and the pockets rotted, got it. I go to space with the stars. My smoke will blow on my pilot. Saturn, moon, earth,